Hello everyone, my name is Kevin, I'm from Frigo. Today I will show you my latest electric scooter, model E10Pro. It's a 500 watts motor, brushless motor, with 10-inch tire. The tire is non-flexible. It means no air. You don't have to put the air inside, but it's not solid. It has hollow inside. So don't worry about change the tire, flat tire. Don't worry about this because there's no air to put in. It's very good. As you see, here is the head. You can see the dashboard can show you much information. The real-time speed, the gear 1, 2, 3, low, high speed, and also the lights. You can see the lights. Okay, you can see the echo of the Bluetooth. If Bluetooth is connected with your phone app, this echo will stable with no flashing. And you can see the single trip can show you how many kilometers did you travel, and also you can see the battery indicator. Now it's full. If it's half, you can see there are only 2 bars lights on. Okay, beside here we can see there is a very good phone holder. It can adjust to match all kinds of phones. It's aluminum made. It's very good quality. Don't worry about it. It will get off during the transportation. And at the same time, you see there is a bell, the brake, and here is a throttle. And we have a very good function of the lock. It's very good. But here, when you want to use it, this use a password. You can go here, put it, and change the password you want. That's it. Hello. The front suspension. It's very good for the riding. You see, during your riding, the scooter will go from different kind of the road condition. With the suspension, it will can very good observe the vibration. It will give you very good, comfortable riding. This is very important. And at the same time, it's foldable. You see all the cables go inside. You cannot see the cable outside. And the cable goes from here. We have the protection. And here is the lock. When you want to fold it, first step, up and push. It's very simple. As you see, the rear wheel comes with a hub motor, 500 watts. In the pink, it's 800 watts. It comes with ABS brake. And also, we have the tail lights. When you brake, it will turn it on. And also, we have the hook here to lock. Here is a hook. Okay. Like this. It's 14 kilograms. The maximum loading is 120 kilograms. Now I'm 93 kilograms. This frame is not made by aluminum only. It's made by steel, high quality steel pipe. So it will be more stronger, and also it's more durable. And it has during your riding, the frame can be like this, shaking, will be like this. It's not like the aluminum only. Aluminum only will not buy like this. So this one is more flexible. We have the front lights. You can change from here. Turn it on, turn it off, turn it on. Button is hidden here. The purpose to, because sometimes it's raining, better the buttons here to protect. And one button have more function. So it can turn it on off the scooter, can turn it on off the lights, can switch the mode, gear 1, gear 2, gear 3 from here. Okay. We have 200 this scooter, this model in US warehouse, and we have 100 in Poland, Europe. So if you want to buy from us, you're welcome the drop shipping. We get an order from the customer, give us the address, we ship to your customer directly. Thank you.